Okay, this is the first of the videos that I'm going to hopefully get us all back on the same page. That we're looking at AutoCAD. This is the document that we set up in class a couple weeks ago before spring break. This has no content in my model space, even though I've already set up my units to be architectural. And scale of my drawing, we have this template that we uploaded last time. Hopefully you still have this document. We also created a layout space down here, 11 by 17. We will no longer need 11 by 17 because we won't be printing and reviewing on paper, so we'll just be printing PDF. We'll just use this D size layout, 24 by 36. So we can just delete this 11 by 17 layout for now. We'll use multiple D size layouts because we want a floor plan per each page. Maybe our sections and elevations, I guess we won't be doing elevations, but our sections will be on the same page if they fit, but each floor plan will probably be on its own page or 2 floor plans per page. If you go to this D-size layout, I want to just go over a couple things so we all have the same type document when we're submitting. And this should be your document that you're collaborating on, so all of the modeled elements you as a group have created should now be in the same DWG file, and that you can submit this one DWG file. The final submission will be per individual, so you'll all have to submit this document. Right now for progress, you can just submit one person in your group can submit this document plus the PDFs that you plot. So going to this D-size layout, I just want to add some content here. We're just going to add some text. You're in paper space right now. If you go to Annotate tab up at the top, multi-line text. We're going to start here. All right, your project team. All right, include all of your names in this team. Project, I'm just going to copy this down. Double click, I'm going to edit this. Call it whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to add another text down here. Started typing before I finished dragging out a box. Again, I'm going to click on this, type in copy, select where I want to copy from. That's a left click, drag. I'm on ortho mode right now, so it's only direct lines. I'm going to copy that over here. And if I hold down shift, I can override more ortho mode without having to click on and off the button. So I'm doing that there. Now I'm right clicking or pushing enter to finish that copy. So date, put in April 26. I'll be the due date for this project. And the scale. Double clicking to edit this text. 1/4 inch. Now you see that little lightning bolt symbol? That's an automatic change that it's requesting for 1/4 inch at that style. I want to push backspace because I don't want to accept that. There's our scale. We're going to call each of these sheets their own thing. We'll start with A1. Let's say this is level basement or level 1. Okay, now this layout is set up. I want to duplicate this layout. Okay, what I just did was I clicked this D-size layout, and I'm pushing Control on my keyboard, and I'm dragging this over to the new layout tab, on the new layout tab, which will create a new layout, and it copies all of the items over. So this one did not get copied. I could just delete this. Okay, and now I'm going to change this. This will be for, we'll say level 1 for now. We can always come back and change these. So now you can just create new layouts for every floor plan or section or detail, whatever it's going to be, however many of these sheets we're going to have to print for our final PDF. Now you've got this template set up, so each time you plot, we went through this last time, this is Page Setup Manager. If I want to modify this layout, I want to make sure that it's PDF, DWG to PDF, or Adobe PDF. We'll say monochrome right now, so it will not print the colors of your line types, just black and white, and then click OK. Had I done that previously, before I copied these layouts would have that same setup. I might have to go back and change the plot Page Setup Manager plot settings to represent that monochrome layout as well. Now I can go back into my model space, and now you guys should have already your floor plans modeled out as much as you can, and so it won't be blank, but I'm going to show you next how to import the scans of the architecture building drawings that we have, so then you can start modeling on top of those. We'll go to that point.